Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You already have access and the right membership. Now open Microsoft Teams and pick the team where the channel will live. Click the three dots next to the team name, then choose Add Channel. Once done, name the channel clearly and select Standard or Private depending on who needs access. Make sure to add a short description so people know purpose. This helps reduce confusion later. You're starting the process with permissions and naming, both shape visibility and collaboration. Once the channel exists, configure its privacy and moderation settings so conversations stay organized and secure. If you chose private, add specific members and assign owners. This controls posting and membership. Next, add tabs for files, planner, or a relevant SharePoint page. These shape daily workflows. Make sure to enable or disable posting by channel owners only, depending on your governance. These steps control information flow and set user expectations, so take time to align settings with team norms. You're almost done. Post a welcome message, pin critical documents, and remind people about notification preferences so engagement starts correctly. Verify members can open the Files tab and any added apps. Make permission tweaks when someone can't access content. If a user reports the channel missing, ask them to sign out, clear Teams cache, and sign back in, then re-add them to a private channel if needed. These final checks ensure the channel functions smoothly from day one.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.